Hello everyone. Welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin with today's target, and I would be showing you some unique property today. Like we can make it with div or without div. I'll first show you how we can create it with a div. So there isn't much difference, but still I would prefer to tell you both ways. So background as always would be first, and this color, let's paste it. So that's all for the background, because we can use display grid etc to bring it in the center, but it's better to use margin. So let's first give it some margin only. So margin, let me on the difference so that I can rather easily see where the how much the margin should be. So I'll give it margin of like 100. No, 100 is too much. Let me first remove this pixels. Maybe 80, 70. Yes, 70 is quite much correct. Now I would be changing obviously the width, and I'll be making it 200. No, 200 is less. 250. 250 is more, but still there is a slight difference there. So maybe let's take this to 60. 5, 4, 3. Wait, why was I decreasing it? Okay, 68 looks quite promising. And for the height, I would change it to maybe 150. Okay, we'll later on make it proper. We also need to change the background. Today we would be using conic gradient, which I haven't used in any video yet, but it would be easier using it. So first of all, we'll write the color we want first. I would just begin with this one only. So this, let's paste it. Then I would give it an angle of, you can say, 0 and 90 degree. Wait, let me remove the difference for once so that I can know what the color is. The second color we would be using is we would go like this, kind of clockwise. So I'll use this color. Okay, I think I used them in opposite direction. We can later on change the angles. So never mind. 90 degree. Okay, so it simply starts from this line. That's where it is happening. Let me just change the angles, or we can simply do this. Rotate 90. Okay, we'll simply obviously later on it would be problematic, so it's better to change right now. So this, and now we'll change it to this color, the black type color. Paste. Then the next one would be from first I'll, as I am doing before, paste the color, and now I'll give it 180 degree to obviously 270 degree, and the last one would be what I was thinking of keeping at first. Paste. Now it would be 270° and 360°. Okay, so let me check once with the difference that, okay, it is a little bit off, maybe due to the margin only. Let's change the margin to, I don't know, 70. 1, 2, 3. Okay, as I'm increasing it, the difference increases in the center. So maybe we have to decrease it. So 6, or we can do this as 68, 10. I gave it in the opposite way. My bad. 100, 90, 80, 75. Yeah, now it's perfect. Like as you can see, it's black in the center. Rest of that, like for now, we have created a rectangle with such a gradient inside it. Now all we have to do is we have to make it in a diamond shape, and that can be done using clip path. In case you don't know clip path, I have also used it and introduced about it in a video. I would mention it either at the end or in the description, so you can check out and know what clip path is. So I'll give polygon, and as we know, we need to have 50% of this, because obviously 50% is this much, so it will cover one, and I'll maybe give 100%, comma. Okay, we'll begin from 0% to 50%. Then, oh, why did I write 1? I had to write 0. 50% to 100%, comma, 100% to 50%, and 50% to 0%. And as you can see, like this was simply kind of repeating the values further and further. You can see in the difference, there is just a slight difference. Let me check if I can even remove it. No, it just increases instead of getting removed. Okay, so that much isn't a problem. Let's submit it and let's see what score we get. 622.49. Also, we can do it without div simply by doing this. As I also mentioned in the previous video, all we have to do is this, and it's the exact same. Although you have to adjust the margins a little bit. So I think it would be 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 7. We can simply go with this one. It does decrease the character count, and it does look better, because the lesser the characters, the smaller it looks and the easier to understand it. My bad. Okay, so wait, I have to do this first. I don't know why I have this habit. Like, can we even remove this angle space? We can't remove that space between the color and the, okay, I can't. And what about the percentages? Yeah, we can remove the spaces in the percentage. So now if we submit it, it would, I think, go to at least 625. Oh, it surpassed way more than my expectation. It went 645, not 625. So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.